A big announcement from federal health officials today about COVID-19 mask guidelines.
CDC is now loosening restrictions for fully vaccinated people. WGN's Dana Rebick live in Lincoln Park with details. Dana.
Well, this is a big change. The president and the CDC saying that if you are vaccinated, you no longer need to wear a mask indoors or outdoors. Governor Pritzker's office saying today that he plans to advise his executive orders in line with this new CDC guidance, as the president is hoping this will be an incentive for more people to get vaccinated.
Your health and how soon you return to normal life before the pandemic are in your very capable hands.
A big announcement from the CDC. Progress in the country's vaccination program has paid off.
Once you are fully vaccinated, 2 weeks after your last dose, you can shed your mask.
The CDC is saying they have concluded that fully vaccinated people are at a very, very low risk of getting COVID-19. Therefore, if you've been fully vaccinated, you no longer need to wear a mask.
250 million shots in the arms of Americans in 114 days. Nearly 60% have now received at least one dose. The goal, Biden says, to reach 70% by the 4th of July. The CDC says unvaccinated people and those with compromised immunity should still wear masks. But just how the unmasking will roll out and who will police it inside businesses here in Illinois is unclear. People we spoke with say they think it may take time and more local guidance.
I think it'll be really hard for people to get used to. I do. I think people are so hesitant and still kind of afraid.
I think politically they're finally caving in. That's what I think.
At a Cook County vaccine event today, a doctor was asked his thoughts on the new recommendations.
We do plan to review the guidance very carefully, and we'll follow up with more specific answers soon.
A major change in our daily behavior, a gift, the president says, for the Americans who he feels stepped up and exercised their patriotic duty to help end the pandemic.
The rule is very simple. Get vaccinated or wear a mask until you do.
Now, the CDC says that masks should still be worn in certain settings, like doctors' offices, hospitals, and while traveling on airplanes, buses, or trains. Now, we did check in with Mayor Lori Lightfoot's office. They say that they will work with the state as well as industry and business partners to update this guidance. Now, just last week at an event that was where she was discussing the reopening of the city, the mayor said that she thought masks would be something people would be wearing for at least the next year, and she felt they had become, quote, standard fare. Now, this news today, a big shift away from that mentality. Live in Lincoln Park, Dana Rebick, WGN News.